Welcome to the online application system of IBS. You can apply only online by completing our online application form and uploading your documents. The first step is to go to the IBS application page and click on the Become an Applicant button. Fill in the required data and save them. If you are assisted by an agency, please make sure to add its tracker code here. You will see your login immediately and it will be sent to your email too. Save your login as you will need to sign in from time to time. Please click on the I wrote it down Continue button. The next step is to choose your program with the intake. Please note that you can apply only to one program. Click here and browse our programs. After you've found the desired program, click on the Apply Now button. Once you chose the program with the intake, you will see the following screen. Start filling in the application form by providing all the details required. It is recommended that you save your content from time to time. First, you start with the Profile section. Fill in all the fields with your personal and contact information. Please write your name exactly as it appears in your passport or ID document. At the Contact section, please provide your address, correspondence address, and an emergency contact. At the Education section, please provide information about your current school. If you have already graduated, please provide the details of your previous school. At the Languages section, please indicate your English level and also what made you choose it. At the Documents section, upload all the compulsory documents. You can find further information about the required documents here. Please note that you can only upload each file up to 4 megabytes. If you do not have all the required documents ready, you can upload them later too. At the Other section, please indicate how you found information about the school. If you are assisted by an IBS representative, you can provide the name of agency here. Finally, if you need accommodation at the residence hall, please choose from the following options. At the Checklist section, please review all your tasks. Once you have completed filling in the application form and uploaded the necessary documents, click on the Submit button. You can submit your application only if you have filled in all the required boxes. If you see the red exclamation mark, it means that some of your data are still missing. Make sure to complete them. After submitting your application, you can still upload the missing documents. Please note that if you do not click on the Submit button, your application will not be valid. Once you have submitted your application, you will be informed about the next step soon. In the next video, we will explain you what to do after successfully submitting your application. Thank you for watching.